In this video, I'll show you how to add a page border in Google Docs. First thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and open Google Docs on your device. Make sure you're signed in into your Google account. So on your documents, go ahead and open a document to where you want to add a border to. So click on that document, and once you have opened the document, go ahead and open the header section of this document by clicking thrice into the top of this document. So the page header will pop up once you have clicked thrice, and go ahead and click on that insert button, which you'll find at the tools section. Now in here, click on image and click on upload from computer if you have your page border downloaded into your local drive. So you can also look for a page border if you have selected to search the web. So I'll simply look for border in here and select from this available borders that I can see from here. Simply click on the border that you want to incorporate with your document, and then click on the insert button, which you'll find at the bottom right, to insert that into your document. So as you can see in here, the page border has been successfully inserted into my document. So just simply set this up and make this fit your document, and that's basically how you can add a page border in Google Docs. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.